There she is, the blue marble in all her glory, the most widely used image of the earth. This image has been used over and over and over again for decades. In my opinion, it's one of the most realistic looking images of the earth from space. Now, NASA claims they don't have very many authentic photos from space, but they claim this one is authentic. They say the photograph was taken by astronauts on December 7th, 1972 at 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is one of the most widely distributed photographic images in existence. The image is one of the few to show an almost fully illuminated Earth disk. Earth disk? That's an interesting choice of words. Okay. And the astronauts had the sun behind them when they took the image. To the astronauts, the slightly gibbous Earth had the appearance and size of a glass marble, hence the name. Well, since they gave us the exact date and exact time they supposedly took this picture in space, I decided to go to timeanddate.com and then use the day and night world map feature. Now, this website is really cool. It'll actually show you which countries and continents are in daylight and which countries and continents are at nighttime at any given time that you type in. So I typed in that exact date and that exact time, December 7th, 5:40 in the morning, and this will show you which areas are supposed to be in night and which areas are supposed to be in day. It's pretty easy to read. Now, when we look at the blue marble, we can see that Africa is lit up. We can see the Middle East, like Saudi Arabia and Yemen, is lit up. We can see Madagascar. We can see a little of Antarctica. But other than that, we don't see a whole lot of land masses lit up. So that would mean all the other land masses would have to be on the other side of the Earth in darkness. However, when we go to timeanddate.com and we type in December 7th, 1972, 5:40 a.m. in the morning, Africa is indeed lit up as shown on the blue marble. However, South America should also be in daylight. Europe should also be in daylight. An entire chunk of Russia should be in daylight, and the western end of Australia should also be in daylight. Yet none of these places are featured on the blue marble. So therefore on the blue marble they would be on the other side in darkness. As the astronauts said, they took the picture with the sun behind them. So this is a major flaw, a major glaring hole in the blue marble. And literally anyone within a few minutes can take the time and convert Eastern Standard Time to other world times and find out all these places should be in daylight, such as Rio de Janeiro, 6:39 a.m. should be in daylight. Helsinki, Finland, 12:39 should be in daylight. Moscow, Russia, 1:39 should be in daylight. Perth, Australia, 5:39 p.m. should still be daylight. I think this more than proves, folks, that this photo is not a correct representation of Earth. It is just as fake as all of the other admittedly faked Photoshop composites. However, this one NASA claims is a real authentic photo of Earth. Only problem is, all your other continents that should be in daylight are on the other side of your marble. I'd like to see the other side of the marble with all the other continents in darkness. Can you imagine looking at the other side of the marble where all the other continents are all crammed together? Yeah, that wouldn't look stupid at all. So there it was, folks. It was right in front of our face the whole time. They show us Africa, but then they don't show us hardly anywhere else. And there's all these other places that should have been in full daylight at that exact time when this supposed photo was taken, but they aren't. which proves it is not an authentic photo. 100% debunked. The NASA blue marble is done. Anytime you ever see anyone post a picture of NASA blue marble, I would really appreciate it if you shared this video with them, because it completely debunks the blue marble, obviously. And being that the blue marble is the most widely used image of Earth, I would expect a lot of my fans and friends to share this video anytime they see it. I'm counting on you guys. This video demolishes the blue marble. The blue marble is used more than any other image of Earth, so this should be the rebuttal, the go-to rebuttal for any time you see someone posting this image. Make sure to post my debunking video right underneath that pile of shit. This is the flat Earth asshole, y'all, and NASA's blue marble is a big hunk of poo-poo, and it's 100% debunked. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Please like and share this video, and make sure you're still subbed to my channel because people are getting removed against their will on a daily basis. So until next time, folks, this is the Flat Earth asshole, kicking NASA in the balls until all their bullshit falls.